Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a poll on Instagram Reels. So for this, first of all, you have to open your Instagram application and then also log into your Instagram account if you haven't done so already. Then come to your profile right here. Now when you are on your profile, what you are going to do is firstly click on these three lines in the top right corner like this. And as you can see, we got a couple of options here. I'm going to click on this first, setting and privacy. And now you should be taken to this page right here. Now this page, just scroll down here until you can see where it says help. And now as you can see here it is, just click on this help. Now click on this report a problem, tap on report a problem again, click on this include and continue, and now you should be taken to this page right here. And now you might ask yourself, why do you have to come on this page? The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we are able to contact the Instagram support, and they are the ones that can help us to unlock this feature basically. So now you can write something like this: I am missing the option to add a poll to my Instagram Reels. I need this to be fixed. Now of course click on this send in the top right corner. What will happen is that you will now need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the support to see this, and when they have seen this, then you can go back to your account, and then you should have like a pop-up where it says that you can now add a poll to your Instagram Reels. You can just upload an Instagram Reels again, and you can just upload Instagram again, and then hopefully you will have this option. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.